How to save photos in Telegram on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any chat from here. As you can see, this contact has shared a photo with you in this chat. Tap on the photo to view it. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Select Save Image if you want to save this photo. Now, go back and open up Photos. You can now view the photo you just saved from here. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily save photos in Telegram on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.